is coming in right now. K Kavitha is to challenge her arrest in the Supreme Court. Sources say Kavitha will seek an urgent hearing in the Supreme Court. Her legal team is to try for an urgent hearing before the Supreme Court today. The team will try to mention the matter and get it listed immediately. It's her team's claim that she couldn't have been arrested considering the Supreme Court's interim order of protection. Remember, yesterday, K Kavitha, BRS leader, had been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate from Hyderabad and brought to Delhi in the Liquor Gate case. The Delhi Liquor Gate case, K Kavitha will now be challenging her arrest in the Supreme Court. What we're learning from our sources is that her legal team will be approaching the Supreme Court seeking an urgent hearing. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is joining us this morning over the phone line. Shreya, good morning to you. What is going to be the plan of action of K Kavitha's legal team now that she's been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate?
Well, follow me. The primary reason we are seeing that K Kavitha's team is actually challenging the arrest by the Enforcement Directorate is because the appeal was due before the Supreme Court for a hearing on the 19th of March. That's primarily the reason why we also saw that while she was being arrested from her residence yesterday at Banjara Hills in Telangana, her brother as well as some supporters of the BRS party had actually questioned the ED, suggesting that the arrest does not have a legal finality, and that's the reason why today we will be seeing them seeking an urgent hearing in the Supreme Court. So far as the ED is concerned, they are very clear. They say that they have enough evidence to arrest because there is evidence that directly implicates in the liquor policy case. So clearly when there will be moves in the Supreme Court challenging the arrest, this is also going to be what the ED's side is. So it will be interesting to see how the day pans out. It's also important to point out that it's also today that we will see the Delhi CM appearing in the court related to the same matter. So trouble mounting for leaders in the liquor policy scam with the arrest of K Kavitha now by the Enforcement Directorate.
Okay, that's very interesting. What Shreya is, of course, pointing out. So as far as the courts are concerned, it's going to be an important day as far as this ongoing investigation is concerned as well, which is the Delhi Liquor Gate scam case. Shreya, thank you for joining us. So another high-profile arrest in the Delhi Liquor Gate probe. BRS chief's daughter, K Kavitha, was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on Friday. She was held hours after the investigating agency conducted searches at her Hyderabad residence in connection with money laundering case linked to the Delhi liquor policy scam. Now, K Kavitha's arrest triggered a war of words with opposition netas targeting the BJP. Condemning Kavitha's arrest, opposition alleged that BJP is using probe agencies to suppress opposition parties. Remember, K Kavitha was questioned thrice last year in connection with this case. One of the accused, Amit Arora, had alleged that she was part of a liquor lobby called the South Group, which paid as much as 100 crore kickbacks to many Aam Aadmi Party leaders, allegedly.
When the matter was listed in Supreme Court, the court adjourned the case as it is a miscellaneous day on Friday. So it has adjourned to Tuesday. And from earlier onwards, there are undertaking given by a law officer stating that no court steps will be taken in this case. But yet, the ED people have barged into Kavitha's house and they have arrested her, which itself is illegal. The arrest itself is illegal because in this case, one of the prayer was not to take any coercive steps against her. So being that so, ED people have come to her residence and they have arrested her now. So even in the matters, notice was issued, it was tagged along with other matters like Nalini Chidambaram, Abhishek Banerjee. While doing so, leave was also granted in this matter.
पिछले 3 साल से लगभग जांच चल रही है और उसमें दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री भी जेल में है, उनको भी अरेस्ट किया गया, उनकी भी जांच हो रही है और उसी में कुछ दक्षिण भारत के सांसद जो अप्रूवल हो गए हैं, जो वहाँ के नेता अप्रूवल हो गए हैं, तो उसके चलते इनको अरेस्ट किया गया है. अब दिल्ली लाया जाएगा और दिल्ली में लाकर इनको उन लोगों के सामने खड़ा किया जाएगा जिन लोगों ने जानकारियाँ दी हैं. एक बड़ा नॉर्मल कोर्स है और मैं अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि कविता जी इसमें सहयोग करेंगी, ईडी का सहयोग कर जो प्रश्न उनसे पूछे जाएंगे उनको उत्तर देंगे.